We'll guide you through how to understand Vercel pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find the billing section on the left-hand side menu. Click on Billing to access your current plan details. Vercel offers a few pricing tiers, including Hobby, Pro, and Enterprise. The Hobby plan is free and great for personal projects with basic features. For more advanced features like custom domains and increased bandwidth, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro plan. Click on View Plans to see a detailed comparison of what each tier offers. Pay attention to the number of team members, bandwidth limits, and the number of serverless functions included, as these can significantly affect your choice. If you're running a larger business or need more customization, consider the Enterprise plan, which offers dedicated support and tailored solutions. To change your plan, simply click Upgrade or Downgrade next to the plan you want. You'll then be prompted to confirm your choice and enter any necessary payment details. Remember, you can switch plans at any time depending on your project needs. It's also important to monitor your usage to avoid any unexpected charges. Back in the billing section, you'll see a breakdown of your current usage, including bandwidth and serverless function calls. This helps you keep track of your usage and stay within your budget. Keep an eye on this to adjust your plan if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.